English sounds like injury in Arabic. In the language I am learning like a child who must be taught the shapes and sounds of letters, children scream. Already they are more well versed than I in sounding out those shapes and screaming too. I, who from my earliest days at school was punished for deficiency in cursive, I, whose English letters fall somewhere between a spider in an inkpot smear and A for apple print, am learning a supremely calligraphic language, as hands far more practiced than mine find their own writing sliding into scrawl and must accept it, so those hands may yet incise and suture with precision after 66 days, most without electric light or anesthetic. In the language I am learning, the word I find most pleasing is the name of a nation we bombed into freedom, where people are now sold as slaves. In this language, the words for my country are half rhymes for wounding and guilt. In the language I have grown up speaking, people quibble about what it means to say things like genocide, or self-defense, or rules-based international order. In the language I am learning, I cannot say these things. I do not yet know it well enough to lie.